Hi guys, this is TJ. It was a good day for me. I made 46k today, so it was a very good day for option sellers mostly because there was no big spikes and the day K was very smooth. So I hope every option seller would have made very good profits today. So let's go back to my trades. So the first thing, these are my if you remember yesterday, I took credit spreads. So these are adjustment to my credit spreads. Main thing I will explain discretionary trades. 35,500 put I shorted at 920. So if you see, if you see here, the Bank Nifty took support at S1. So this was the main point, and it started reversing from this point. And if you see, it broke VWAP also at this point. So it was a clear bullish signal, and even OI data was giving bullish signal. So usually I will use a trading tick and Quantsub for checking the OI, so you can check over there the OI. So here 3500 put gave good profits, so I shorted at 145 and I closed that one at 997. So here I got 5k in this particular trade. uh, Sorry, this one, I shorted at 145 and I closed it at 105, so I got 5k here. And then I moved to 35,600 put. Here I shorted at 155, and this one I closed it around 100. uh, so if you see here, at 10 I closed it. So in this I got almost 6,800 rupees. So that's the one. And these are my system trades. In this system trades, this two got stop loss hit. So both the sides stop loss got hit for system trades. Only one ran till end. So as in whole, I didn't get much profits, like 4,000 uh, 4,000 or 5,000 profit I got in system trades. Yeah. So, and this is my adjustment to credit spreads. So which I will explain later, maybe. So this is 34,600 put. I closed it around 100. So I got 6,700. Then I moved to 35,700, which was trading around 155. I For this wait. So before that, yeah. So I shorted 35,500 put. So this one I closed it around. Yeah, so this one I took because Bank Nifty was very bullish, so I took as an extra trade. This one I will not take usually in discretionary. Usually I will take 5 lots. So this one, my first stop loss got hit here at 1039. I shorted at 155, and my trailing stop loss got hit here, but at 1039, if you see. So at this particular point of time, my trailing stop loss got hit, and since Bank Nifty was still above VWAP, and still it was giving a very bullish signal, so I shorted 35,600, which was trading around 116.8. So this one I closed it at 84.18. So I got 4k in this trade. So then I shorted a 35,700 put again at 139, and this one I closed it around 84.21, so which is almost equal to 7k. So then I moved to 35,800 put, trading at 135. So in this particular trade I got stop loss hit, so of 30 points, that is 3,700 or 800 rupees. So if you can see, like till this time, two of my stop loss got hit. One was trailing stop loss, and another one is normal stop loss. But the risk in this particular case was just 3,700 or 4,000. But reward, if you can see, like minimum I will make 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 profits. This particular time my stop loss got hit. Then I shorted 35,700 put, which was trading around 105. So uh, this one I closed it at around 1234. If you can see at 1234, yeah, if you can see here, the bank nifty started to become bearish. So if you can see here, it gave a bearish signal. So I closed my put for some time, thinking like a bank nifty uh, may reverse. So I closed it, and I waited for some time. I waited till uh, yeah. So I was thinking like it will reverse from VWAP, so it touched VWAP, and it started reversing from there. So at this particular big point, a big candle with this volume, this it broke with volume. So this particular point, I took again the put. So uh, which put I took at 1253, yeah, 35,700 put, which was trading around 134. The same put which I closed at 113, I got it at 134. So this one I closed it around 75.2. I got 35,800 put, which was trading around 135. So this one, yeah. So this one again I closed it at 224. Uh, so if you see, yeah, at this particular point I closed it. Actually it was in very good profits till this time, but I waited till this point. So uh, the 35,700 put, which I shorted at 134, I closed at 135. Almost I gave I shorted at 12.53. I waited till 224. So since bank nifty started reversing, I closed it, and I waited for the right opportunity. So if you see here, I didn't short immediately. I waited for my opportunity. So then if you see, I shorted a 35,700 put again at 98.52. So if you see here, it was breaking the VWAP, so I shorted it again. So like this, this were my discretionary trades. I got almost 30K in this all these discretionary trades. Uh, so let's go to the credit spread, which I took yesterday. Uh, so if you remember, I shorted a 3500 put, which was trading around 29.7, and uh, 3500 put, yeah. So I closed it around 21.2, and I shorted 35,200 put. I didn't move the heads part, so I just moved this one. In first one, in 35,800, I got 2,200 rupees. So and then in 35,200, which I shorted here. So if you see this one, yeah. So this one I closed it around 9.69. So I got 4,200 here, and I moved to 35,300 put. So all these things I was if you see, I just shorted puts here because the bank nifty was bullish from the morning, and if you see the OI change in OI and all, it was also bullish. So I didn't touch much of calls. So I was just buying on the dips. So if you see, mostly at VWAP I bought the puts, I sold, I shorted puts. So that was the strategy. So in the same way, this credit spread I was rolling over. So like this, I rolled till end of the day. So if you see here, till 35 500 put I rolled. I got 6,000 in this particular credit spread, and I took few of the nifty trades. So if you see here, 700 call, these are strangles I took, and I adjusted based on the market movements. So in this particular trade, I got 7,500. So overall, all the strategies were in positive. So that's why I was able to grab 46.8k. Yeah, overall, it was a good expiry. Thanks, guys.